Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make steamed chicken dumplings. Let's get straight into it. So I'm going to do this recipe based on 250 grams of chicken breast mince. So we'll set that aside for now. First what I'm going to do is bring across a handful of fresh coriander. And as you can see, we've got some chives here and some bok choy stems. Now with our coriander, we just want to chop it up finely. Just like so. So we're going to add this straight to our chicken. Next with our bok choy, I have 7 stalks here. All we want to do is just very finely slice it. Just like that. Now if you don't have bok choy, this can be done with celery as well. And we'll add this straight to our chicken as well. Next we'll work on our chives. So I've got about a tablespoon of chives here. And just like the rest, we're just going to very finely chop it. And that goes straight to our chicken as well. Now we're also going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Some freshly cracked pepper. About 2 crushed garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. Now if you like, you can also add some fresh ginger to this too, so that's just up to you. So all we're going to do now is just mix this all together. And basically we want our mixture to be nice and mixed like that. Okay, so to make actual dumplings, I'm just going to be using standard wonton wrappers. You can make the dough yourself. It's basically just flour, water and egg and salt. But I find it's just easy to use these. So you just want to lay these out, just to make it easy to work with. Now next thing we'll do is just get our mixture, and we just want to put a heaped teaspoon into each one. Now definitely don't overcrowd these, because we don't want these to burst open when we're cooking. Now as for actually folding these, there's many different ways of doing it, but I'll show you how I do it. So what we're going to do, I've just got a bowl of warm water here. Just dip your finger in, and you just want to go on the outer edges of your sheet like that. What this does is it helps it stick better. Now we're going to bring these 2 corners together, crimp them together like that, and the water keeps it together. Then we'll bring this corner here, push that into, finally this corner. So we've almost got like a box diamond shape. Now you can leave it like that if you want, that's the most easiest way to do it. But what I like to do is just wet these corners, and we'll bring these together as well and crimp it together. Same with this one too. And we have that sort of shape now. So guys, that's just up to you. You can do it any way you like. There's many different ways that I can't even do them, so practice whatever you come out like, it's fine. So all we're going to do is just continue making all these. Okay, and that's all our dumplings done, as you can see. Now before we move to our stove, I'm going to be doing these in a bamboo steamer. So all we need to do is put a small piece of baking paper inside, because we don't want these to stick. And we're just going to place these straight inside. This has 2 trays, so I'm going to do half and half. And make sure they're not too close together. Give them some space like that. You may or may not need to do this in 2 batches. Now of course you can keep these and cook them another time too. And they are freezable if you want to freeze them. So that's 2 trays. I've still got this much, so I'll keep that for the next batch. So all that happens now is this goes on top of that. And don't worry, there is a gap, so they're not going to touch each other. And then on top of this goes a lid, which keeps the steam inside. So let's move on and I'll show you. So what I've got here is just a small saucepan with some water. All that's going to happen is this is going to sit on top like so. Now guys, make sure the water's not all the way up. You don't want the water to actually touch, so only about a quarter or a half full. Once this starts steaming, this will only take around 15 minutes roughly to cook. Okay, so I don't know if you can see in the video or not, but it's starting to steam. So leave that and we'll let that cook. Okay guys, so we're at the 15-minute mark now. So what do you say we have a look? And just look at that. How perfect do they look? And there we have it, guys. I've just served it up with a little sauce. Basically, this is just 2 tablespoons of soy sauce with a teaspoon of sweet chili sauce. And all that's left to do is dunk it in and eat into it. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you have any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.